So now we will see text decoration property in CSS. So guys, basically the text decoration property is used to format the text using CSS, and this we are going to check with the help of examples as well. There are multiple properties inside the text decoration, and the first property that we are going to use is the text decoration line. So guys, let us check this with the help of example in VS Code over here. So I'll simply remove the previous lines of code from the index.html file and also from the style.css file over here. Basically we have a simple statement, that is, this is a test dev element. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, this is the div tag inside which we have the statement, that is, this is a test dev element. Now guys, what is the meaning of the text decoration line? So over here we have the CSS property that we can define inside the style.css file. So let us move to the style.css file here. So guys, basically this is the property that we are going to use, and you can see there are multiple values for this text decoration line, such as line through, and then we have overline, underline, and none. So guys, basically the value that is underline will help us in order to underline this particular text inside the div element. So let us check that with the help of the underline value. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, the text is getting underlined over here. So the text decoration line helps us in order to provide a line to the text in this case. Apart from underline, we have other values as well. So let us check what is the meaning of line through over here. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So it will be kind of a strike through in this case, where the text will be displayed behind the strike through over here with the help of the line through value. Apart from this, we also have other value as well. So let us check that. So we have something called as overline over here. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So similar to underline, a line will be drawn above the text with the help of the overline value for the text decoration line. So guys, this is the way that we can provide the different values for the text decoration line over here. Simply we will provide the value that is underline. So let us reload this page once again. So the text is getting underlined now inside this div element. Now guys, apart from this, we can also have the text decoration color. So let us apply the color to this underline that we have provided to this div element. So inside the div tag, simply we are going to provide text decoration hyphen color. So this is the property that we are going to use, and let us say we want to provide red color as the color for the underline. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the underline is having the red color now with the help of the text decoration color. Apart from that, we also have something called as text decoration style. So let us check what will be the values of the text decoration style over here. So we simply have to provide text decoration hyphen style in this case. So this is the CSS property, and as you can see, we have multiple values over here. By default, the value will be solid in this case. So let us provide the dashed value to the text decoration style. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So this is the text decoration style that is having the dashed value in this case. Apart from that, we can also provide the dotted value as well. So let us check how it looks like. So now the underline is getting represented with the help of the dots for this particular HTML element. Now guys, apart from that, we have something called as text decoration thickness. So basically you can provide the width of the underline that is being provided to the HTML element. So we can use this thickness property in order to provide the width of the underline. So over here we have the text decoration thickness in this case. So this is the CSS property that we will be using, and let's say we provide 5 pixels as the thickness for this underline. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the 5 pixels dotted underline that we can see for this HTML element. Let us change the style to the solid value so that it looks more decent over here. So when we change the value of the text decoration style in this case as solid, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page, As you can see, this is the solid underline with the color red and having the width as 5 pixels with the help of the text decoration thickness CSS property. So guys, in this way you can easily use all these text decoration properties based on your requirements, and apart from that you can also provide the simple text decoration CSS property, that is the shorthand property, in order to provide the values for all these CSS properties. So guys, let us check that as well. So I'll simply remove all these lines of code over here and simply let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So there is no text decoration that is being provided right now. So what we can do is simply we can provide the text decoration shorthand property in this case, and simply we are going to provide all these values one at a time over here. So first of all, the text decoration line should be underline followed by the space character, and then the color of the underline should be red color followed by the style, which should be the solid style in this case. And let's say we want the text decoration thickness to be 7 pixels. So simply we will provide the 7 pixels over here. So guys, this is the sequence that we can provide inside the text decoration shorthand property that will allow us, with the help of a single line of code, provide all the text decoration CSS properties. Now let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there is an underline that is being provided to this HTML element based on the text decoration values that we have provided over here. Now instead of underline, let us say we want it to be the overline text decoration in this case. So simply instead of underline, we will say overline over here as the value for the text decoration line. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have the overline now for this particular HTML element. So guys, this is the way that you can use the different text decoration properties and their values inside the HTML and the CSS code based on your requirements to be displayed on the web page. Now guys, apart from this, as you know that all the links in HTML are underlined by default. So basically it is not a good practice in order to manually underline a particular text value inside the web page, since the default way of providing the links to HTML is having the underline to that particular text, which is the hyperlink. But sometimes you will see that the links are styled with no underline, and how that is done? With the help of text decoration value that is set to none, and it is used to remove the underline from links. So guys, let us check that as well with the help of example over here. So what we will do is, let us have the anchor tag over here, which will help us in order to provide a link. So over here we have a tag followed by href, inside which we are going to provide the URL of a specific web page. So over here we don't want it to be redirected to any other web page, so we will simply provide the hash character over here, and simply we will say click here in this case. So when we say click here, this is the text which will appear as a link on our web page. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the link that is getting displayed, and by default there is a underline, as you can see, with the help of a blue color over here. Now guys, let us say we don't want this underline to be displayed for this particular link. So what we can do is simply inside the style.css file, for this a tag we will define the text decoration. So over here we provide the a tag in this case, and inside this we will say text decoration over here, and simply for this text decoration CSS property we will assign the value that is none in this case. So guys, the meaning of none over here is basically no text decoration will be applied to this tag, that is the a tag in this case. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. Before reloading, you can see that there is an underline for this click here link in this case, but when we reload this page, as you can see, there is no underline now for this particular link. So guys, this is the way that you can remove the underline from all the links on your web page by using the text decoration, which should be having the value as none, that will remove all the underlines from the link which is being displayed by default. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is text transformation property in CSS. So stay tuned.